Okay, guys. So I'm out here. Just walked outside. Which way should I go? Let's go to the left. To the left. To the left. Little girl walking in the snow with her mama. Wow. This is unbelievable. Again, we have snow on our pane. And my back hurts. I don't know what's going on. I never get back pain. But anyways, that's neither here nor there on this little short that I'm doing. Like I said, it'd be nice if, you guys would subscribe so I could do this live. I need 50 subscribers. I have 42. I just need 8 more subscribers and I'll be able to do this live instead of having to do these 3-minute shorts. I could just be walking and talking to you guys. Come on, guys, subscribe. I'm not asking for much. Subscribing is absolutely free 99. Okay, look at the trees. I can't even look at this. This looks like it's painted this way. Looks like oh my gosh. I just had to pause for a second. I almost fell, y'all. Holy crap. What's happening? Go away, Siri. Like, you're pausing my... Why would Siri just come out of nowhere? Like, stop messing up my video. Okay. It looks like it's easier to walk in the street because this right here is like an ice skating rink. Whoa. Whoa. So you see, this is a Monday, not a Sunday. People are out there shoveling and trying to get to where they're going. I know there are no cafes open, so it would be surprising if Starbucks is open. But as you can see, it's still snowing, if you can see that. Oh, oh, oh. I can't fall because I'm too tall to fall. It'll hurt really bad. But I'm about to go into the street. Let's see if Starbucks is open. Because I think they are. Actually, they're not. Starbucks is not open. Starbucks has